Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we're going to learn how to convert any photo into an eye-talking avatar using advanced artificial intelligence technology. If you're new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button for more helpful tutorials. Now, let's get started.
Step 1. Choose a high-quality photo with a clear face for the best animation results. Step 2. Use an AI tool like HeyGen, DID, or Synthesia to animate your image. Upload your photo and let the AI detect facial features. Add a voice. Either type text for AI-generated speech or upload your own voice recording. Step 5. Type the text that you want the animation to speak. You can write anything you want your avatar to say, like, "Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you something amazing." The AI will sync the lip movements to match the words you type. Step 6. Submit the process. Once everything looks good, click the Generate or Submit button to start processing the animation. The AI will take a few moments to bring your photo to life. Step 7. Download your animated avatar. Once the processing is complete, download your video in MP4 or GIF format and share it anywhere. That's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. See you in the next one.